Which is the largest continent by area? The answer is Asia. Which is the longest river in the world? The answer is Nile. Which ocean is the largest? The answer is Pacific. Which country has the largest population? The answer is China. Which is the smallest continent? The answer is Australia. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? The answer is Himalayas. Which desert is the largest hot desert? The answer is Sahara. Which line divides Earth into northern and southern hemispheres? The answer is equator. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The answer is Japan. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? The answer is Pacific. Which continent has the most countries? The answer is Africa. Which sea separates Europe and Africa? The answer is Mediterranean Sea. Which country has the longest coastline? The answer is Canada. Which is the highest plateau in the world? The answer is Tibetan Plateau. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? The answer is nitrogen. Which river flows through Egypt? The answer is Nile. Which continent lies entirely in the southern hemisphere? The answer is Antarctica. Which is the smallest ocean? The answer is Arctic. Which country is also called the land of 1,000 lakes? The answer is Finland. Which is the capital of Canada? The answer is Ottawa. Which mountain range separates Europe and Asia? The answer is Ural. Which is the hottest continent? The answer is Africa. Which country has no coastline? The answer is Bolivia. Which is the largest island in the world? The answer is Greenland. Which latitude is known as the Tropic of Cancer? The answer is 23½ degree north. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? The answer is Indian. Which country has the most volcanoes? The answer is Indonesia. Which continent has the least population? The answer is Antarctica. Which river is known as the Yellow River? The answer is Hoang Ho. Which is the coldest continent? The answer is Antarctica. Which country is called the Land of White Elephant? The answer is Thailand. Which strait separates Asia and North America? The answer is Bering Strait. Which is the largest lake in the world by area? The answer is Caspian Sea. Which continent is called the Dark Continent? The answer is Africa. Which country lies on both Europe and Asia? The answer is Turkey. Which is the main source of fresh water on Earth? The answer is glaciers. Which country has the largest desert area? The answer is Australia. Which wind blows constantly from subtropics to equator? The answer is trade winds. Which continent is known as the Plateau Continent? The answer is Africa. Which is the capital of Australia? The answer is Canberra. Which river flows through Paris? The answer is Seine. Which country is the largest by land area? The answer is Russia. Which ocean is named after a country? The answer is Indian. Which hemisphere has more land area? The answer is northern. Which country is called the land of midnight sun? The answer is Norway. Which is the largest bay in the world? The answer is Bay of Bengal. Which country has the highest waterfall? The answer is Venezuela. Which line of longitude is 0 degrees? The answer is prime meridian. Which continent has the longest coastline? The answer is Antarctica. Which country has the smartest people? The answer is Japan.